Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, we are going to Mardan. We are going to visit Mardan for an official visit. Here we are now crossing the Peshawar interchange. Yes, this is the motorway. You can see that green fields all around, and Mardan is very famous for sugarcane crop. Here we are near to Rashakai interchange, which is called Mardan interchange. We are after a few moments we will turn towards the interior city of Mardan. Yes, we are now crossing Rashakai interchange, and we are going to enter into the Mardan city. We will visit here two different universities, Abdul Wali University and Women University Mardan. And here we have crossed the toll plaza. We are now entering into the Mardan city. Here it is a very much beautiful chowk, and we are crossing it right now. It is raining heavily. We are now crossing the Bab Mardan. मुस्कुराइए आप मर्दान में हैं. So we are entering into the Mardan city. Here there is another chowk, and here there is a direction for Abdul Wali University, and we are going to visit Abdul Wali University, which is the biggest educational university in Mardan. Almost 15 to 16,000 students are now currently enrolled in different departments, and we are going to visit to registrar of the university for some educational purposes. We are going to arrange a food technology safety training in Mardan, and Abdul Wali University is selected for this purpose. Here we are now entered into the Abdul Wali University, a huge university, and there is beautifully, it is now decorated all around. Yes, here we are now going towards the administration block, and we are taking our direction. Here you can see huge playing ground for students for different kind of playing activities, and it is a very large university, huge university, almost 200 square acre is its area, and 37 departments are here in this university. Huge number of departments, 37 different departments are offering the master degree in different fields. We are now entering into the administration block. Here is my colleague Mr. Janzeb along with me, and we are going to visit registrar office, and after registrar office we are now going toward the microbiology office. Now we are going to left Mardan University, Abdul Wali University, and we are going toward the Women University of Mardan. Here we are near to the Women University Mardan. We have also a meeting in the Women University Mardan, and we are now getting our prayer, Zohar prayer here. This is a very beautiful mosque. we are now going to take our visit towards Peshawar once again. We have completed our mission and now we are going back to Peshawar. This is Mardan and we are here. This is my colleague Mr. Jamzeb and here I am. We are coming back once again towards Mardan, towards Peshawar. Here we are crossing the Mardan city. The beautiful city. Coming back, we are now going back toward Peshawar once again and we have achieved our target, completed our mission and we are going towards Peshawar back. Thank you so much viewers for taking an eye over this trip. Thanks a lot.